Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna Hybrid XLE. Now the most notable features on this XLE is its power moonroof. You also have your heated front seats as well as your kick assist power sliding rear doors. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna Hybrid XLE. Let's get started. Now a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this XLE is its daytime running lights, and then if we take a closer look just over on the side, you have your 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels, foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors, and then taking a look on the inside of the mirror, you're going to see your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now with that indicator, it'll actually light up just looking if there is another vehicle right beside you. The nice thing is with the power sliding rear doors, you actually have the kick assist feature. So if you take a look down below, you'll see that little icon located on the left hand side there. All you have to do is just kick underneath the door here, and it will actually open up the power sliding rear door for you. This works in conjunction with your smart key system, so you want to make sure you have your key fob on you at all times. And as you can see, you have 3 additional seats in the second row here. The nice thing with this middle seat is that you can actually have it removed and placed in the rear cargo storage area, which I'll actually show you a little bit later on here. Second row sunshade visors just located in here as well. And then one of the nice things that they added with the new Sienna is that they have this handle that basically goes from the top to the bottom, making access into the back a little bit easier for people who have trouble actually doing so. And then you'll find the close button just located just underneath that handle as well. So if you just push on it once, or if you kick underneath the door there, it'll actually close for you automatically. Now the color we're going to be taking a look at today is silver, and taking a closer look now at the front dash as well as the front seats. You have your gray interior with your power driver's seat with lumbar support. Traction control on and off, automatic high beams, heated steering wheel, and then you'll also find the gas cap release as well. On the inside of the driver's side door, you have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now, as you can see, a couple of the controls you'll see on the steering wheel, they include your scroll function, Bluetooth connectivity, volume control, voice recognition, lane departure alert, cruise control, mode select, and seek function. Now, it does offer the push button start, so all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So you have a digital speedometer with a distance to empty, fuel economy. You can also go through and take a look at the lane departure alert, audio, trip info, energy monitor with your all-wheel drive. And then in the settings menu, you'll find the lane trace assist with the pre-collision system, blind spot monitoring on and off, rear cross traffic alert, and a couple of other additional features as well. You'll finish with your messages menu, and as you can see, you have an exterior temperature gauge as well as a digital clock. Taking a look at the center dash area, as you can see inside the menu screen, you'll find your audio phone apps as well as a couple of other additional features. Now, with the apps menu, it's part of the Entune app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Scout GPS app, which allows you to stream your maps from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. Temperature control settings will be located just down below there with your heated seat controls for your driver and your passenger. You have a little shelf here where you can place smaller items, and you'll also find the USB here as well. It's matted to an automatic transmission, and as you can see, you have your drive mode and EV mode as well. If you need some additional cargo room, there's some space just located underneath this armrest area here, where you'll also find a power outlet. And if you take a closer look up top, you have the auto-dimming rear view mirror, and you'll also find the open and close and tilt up and down feature for the power moonroof, power sliding rear doors, as well as the power liftgate, SOS Connect. And then if you take a closer look just at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines, and they're making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now, as you can see, you do have your backup camera just located underneath, and you'll find your rear hatch release just on the right hand side. So all you have to do is push on the button once and it'll open up for you automatically. You have a 60-40 split for the third row, so in the event that you need the additional space, it is available to you. But if you take a look on the back of the seats here, if you forget how the seats fold or unfold, the instructions are located on the back there. And then if you take a look on the left-hand side here, this is actually where you'll store that middle seat from the second row if you're not actually using it. If you are, you can just use it as an additional part of the cargo storage area. Now, if you take a look just at the top here, you do have the power adjustable tailgate, so if you hold down the button for approximately 2 seconds the height you'd like it at, it'll beep a couple of times, and when you close it and open it again, it'll open up to this height. However, if you want to reset the height for yourself, hold down the button for more than 4 seconds. It'll beep several times, and when you close it and open it again, it'll open up to this maximum height. Now, as you can see, it does have the kick assist feature with this Sienna as well, so if you take a look, all you have to do is just kick underneath the rear bumper here, and then it will close the power tailgate for you automatically. So this works in conjunction with the smart key system, so you want to make sure you have the key fob on you at all times in order to utilize this feature to its utmost. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455. Or please visit our website at sbtoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.